got a new battery. A big one. Alright, let's open her up. It's packaged pretty good. Microphone. Oh, these are nice charts. Lipuls, lithium iron phosphate, LiFePO4 deep cycle battery. I'll show you more of that in a minute. Join us. It shows a bunch of models here, and then gives their email, website. Let's pull this out of here. It says it's supposed to be 52 pounds. But there you have it. Okay, I guess you would call this Lipuls or Lipuls, one of the two. But it is a battery that has been around, and it's one of the more affordable batteries. And it's the 12 volt 200 amp hour plus. And it comes with a service card. You can fill out start time that you got it. It says RV camping solar series parallel connections. Just some things on wearing gloves, and comes 30-50% capacity. We'll check that here in a little bit to 100% capacity. We will definitely charge it towards the end of the video. I'd like to start using it right away, just for test reasons. It gives you this chart here, productive overview. Just kind of talked about capacity, 400 amps, 300 minutes energy, 2560 watt hours, which is great. Resistance 10 mil, self discharge 3%. Cells, prismatic. Charging recommendations, gives you diagram how big it is, the weight, M8 terminals, that's good to know. Maximum continuous discharge 200 amps, BMS cutoff 450 amps plus 20 amps. Discharge voltage cutoff 10.0 volts, 2.5 volts cell, short circuit 200, 600. So that's some good information as far as charging. And then the BMS cutoff, which is short circuit protection as well as overcharging. Now let's measure this thing. So 8.6 high. It's about right. 9.4 or 25. So it's actually a, well, down here, let me see. 19 here. It says 25 on there, but it's about 19.5 here. And then with 9.4, I got about 9. So a little off, but no big deal. I just want to see if these terminals are loose or not. They don't seem like they are. Sometimes when I get batteries, they're loose or they're tight. One of the two. They're definitely tight. They're ready to go. In some of the batteries I review, I'll actually have to put these in myself. Even though I had the protector caps, that's great. But I do like it when they're shipped without these, and then you put them in once you receive the package, just so they don't get damaged. Okay, in my basic daily camping setup, this is pretty much what I use as of now. I am just using a little 500 watt inverter, but I want to see what draws off the battery and how well it cold cranks this cooler. So I'm going to hook up this real quick, make sure there isn't a spark. There you go. Bring this down just a little bit so you can see it. Should be powered. There it goes. It says 13.2 out of the battery. Now we're just going to turn this on. See what we get. It's currently at 74 degrees. It's on EcoFlow. 12.2 volts. Everything seems to be 81. Seems to be good. Nothing hot there. Ranges are around 80 degrees. Let's try the motor. 79, 78. Okay, I just got this Tokyo solar controller just to show how my solar panels will charge my battery. So let's try that test real quick. Always hook up your battery first to your solar controller and then your solar panel. XL60 connectors here, if you can see that. Let's go plug that in. Let's go check our solar. Kind of a cloudy day today. Okay, it's kind of on and off sun right now, but I was at 13.3. Now I'm at 13.5, so it is charging. And again, not great sun, but it is charging. Yeah, now at 3.6. Okay, I'm going to charge the battery, get up to fully charge, and then we'll go from there, see how the BMS works. It's on lithium battery. There it goes. Okay, looking at my charger here, you see these little bars. It's 20, 40, 60%, 80%, 100%. Right now it's at 60%. So we got a little ways to charge. But it is kind of a nice indicator to let me know where it's at. It's at 13.9, 17.3 amps, 9.2 amp hours, 95 Fahrenheit, 35 Celsius.
Later that same evening.
Okay, my battery charger says it is full. Let's test it with the meter real quick. You can see this. Maybe you can see that. All right, 14, almost 14.5. So it is fully charged. See, the BMS is working good. We get a full charged battery. I'm gonna enjoy taking this out. So yeah, love the battery. I'm going to do another review here in a couple months to see how it's holding up. But this thing's a beast. I mean, this is great. This is going to give me so much power. I don't see why it wouldn't last me a week in the camper van without having to charge it with the little electronic devices that I use. But the main thing is for my refrigerator. That's what I'm going to be using it for. But this could be endless opportunities for off-grid, fishing, the camping, tenting, whatever. This is going to give you a lot of power for a while. If you want to see more specs and price, just look at the description below and you can get it there for a sale to you at no additional cost. I want to thank Lipuls for sending this to me to review it. And if you have any questions, make sure you leave some in the comments below. Otherwise, if you don't mind, give me a like. And if you like more of these kind of videos, let me know. It's basically tech videos and a lot of camping and other things as well. Y'all take care. Bye.